Welcome to Love Lab, where we decode the psychology of attraction, love, and deep human connection. If you've ever felt like your insecurities were secretly sabotaging your dating life, or if you often find yourself stuck in your head, constantly wondering, am I good enough for her? Then this video was made for you. Hit that subscribe button now so you never miss a video from Love Lab. We release new content every week to help you understand what women actually want, and more importantly, help you become the most confident, magnetic version of yourself. Let's dive in. Let me ask you something. Have you ever had an amazing night where you felt confident, relaxed, charming, and then everything just collapsed the moment a beautiful woman walked in? You're not alone. In over 20 years of working with thousands of men, I've seen it happen time and time again. Incredible guys with real potential who completely lose their edge because of one invisible force: insecurity. It's not just about lacking confidence, it's deeper than that. It's the kind of insecurity that sneaks into your thoughts, twists your behavior, and ultimately pushes women away without you even realizing it. In today's video, I want to show you how to melt away those insecurities so you can live, speak, and move through the world as the man you really are, and make women feel attracted to the real you, not some fake, filtered version you think they want. Let me tell you a quick story about one of my clients. His name is Marcus. It's a Saturday night. Marcus is out with his friends on a rooftop bar. The vibe is amazing. He's cracking jokes, telling stories, making people laugh. He's the life of the party, charismatic, relaxed, and magnetic. Then, across the patio, he sees her, a stunning brunette in a short dress with long legs and a smile that could stop time. She looks over and gives him a soft smile. Marcus takes a deep breath, walks up to her, and says, "Hi." And then it all falls apart. He freezes. Everything he had just moments ago, confidence, flow, energy, gone. His hands are sweating. His mouth is dry. His mind goes completely blank. The same guy who was just owning the room suddenly becomes awkward, stiff, and silent. The woman stares back, confused. He walks away, head down, feeling like a failure. What happened? What Marcus experienced is something I call stifling, a psychological shutdown triggered by insecurity. It's when the pressure to impress becomes so intense that you lose access to your personality. You go into lockdown mode, and behind that shutdown is almost always one thing: shame. Shame that you're not tall enough, not handsome enough, not rich enough, not experienced enough, not good enough. And because of that shame, you shrink in front of women you think are out of your league. Does any of this sound familiar? You feel self-conscious about balding. You think your height is a disadvantage. You believe you don't make enough money or have a cool enough job. You're insecure about your lack of dating or sexual experience. You worry that your accent, skin color, background, or body doesn't measure up. These thoughts act like invisible handcuffs, locking you in place. You hesitate, you overthink, and you lose your chance, often before you even make a move. And yet, have you ever noticed the strange pattern? You're totally relaxed and funny around women you're not attracted to, but as soon as you meet someone who really catches your attention, you start falling apart. That's because she triggers your insecurities. You feel pressure to impress, and under pressure, you lose yourself. But when there's no pressure, you're natural, playful, confident. You are your most attractive self. Here's the truth most men never hear. Women don't see you the way you see yourself. They feel your energy, your presence, your attitude. If you're bald but you own it, women see you as masculine. If you're short but confident, she finds you sexy. If you don't make six figures but love what you do, she respects you. Women mirror how you see yourself. If you feel ashamed, she'll pick up on that. If you're proud of who you are, she'll be drawn to you. So what should you do? Not memorize more pickup lines, not fake some alpha persona. You need to do something much simpler and infinitely more powerful. Stop hiding. Start owning. This isn't about making excuses or playing victim. It's about looking your insecurities in the eye and saying, "Yep, that's me. So what?" I call this naming the elephant in the room. You know the feeling when something is obviously there, but no one says it out loud. It creates tension, awkwardness, pressure. That's the elephant. And the fastest way to kill the tension? Be the one who names it first. When you try to hide it, it gets louder in your head. But when you speak it out loud, you take back control. Let me show you how this works in real life. Got acne? Don't pretend it's not there. Say it with a smile. Been stressed out this week. My skin's having a moment. Got any secret skincare tricks? Feel short? Don't try to overcompensate. Say it with charm. I might not be tall, but I've got the biggest personality in the room. Don't have a flashy job? Say it with pride. My work's not glamorous, but I'm damn good at it and I love it. Here's the key. Say it without flinching, without apologizing, without trying to win her approval. Say it calmly, casually, like it's no big deal, because it's not. And guess what? The shame disappears. No more hiding, no more anxiety, no more overthinking every word or movement. You return to your natural state, confident, relaxed, fun. And that's when women feel the strongest pull toward you. Not because you're more handsome, not because you got richer, but because you stopped pretending and stood in your truth like a man. And that kind of energy, it's irresistible. Remember this, you don't have to be perfect to be attractive. You just have to be real and own who you are. When you do that, there's no pressure to impress, no awkward silences, no inner critic running wild. You just show up as a genuine, grounded man, and women can feel that. So if you're ready to stop shrinking, if you're tired of feeling not good enough, if you're done with being stuck in your head and stuck in the friend zone, then start today. Start by accepting what you used to hide. Start by telling the truth about who you are. Start by living like a man who doesn't ask for permission to be himself. And if you want help continuing this journey, make sure to subscribe to Love Lab right now. We'll help you understand the female mind, unlock your natural charisma, and build the love life you've always wanted. Drop a comment below. What's the biggest insecurity you've carried, and how are you planning to overcome it? I'll see you in the next video, here at Love Lab, where confidence isn't faked, it's claimed.